Want your filters look perfect on every device? They are fully responsive. On desktop, choose Sidebar or Top View. On mobile, pick from 4 optimized style to match your store. Let's start with the Sidebar Layout. This is the classic setup, filters on the left, products on the right. So drag and drop the Dynamic AJAX filter here, set filter type all, so it shows all filters, then click Save, then click Preview and click a few filters to show products updating. If you want to switch layouts first without revealing the section, you can also do it using shortcode. Set layout to sidebar. And if you are using the block editor, just place the filter block in a column layout to make the same left sidebar look. Now the top view layout. Here's the filter sit above the product so shoppers can filter first then scroll. Here our product is under a single column. Drag and drop Dynamic AJAX filter widget at the top of the product section. Keep filter type all. Select filter layout top view layout. Click save, then click preview and click filters to show instant update. If you want to force top view with shortcode, then use this code. Now it comes to mobile responsive styles. Mobile styles are super easy. In Elementor, click the filter widget, then scroll to mobile responsive style and choose style 1 to style 4. Update, then preview in Elementor mobile view. Style 1 shows the filter in a horizontal top bar on mobile. It keeps the page clean and leaves more space for products. Style 2 shows filters in a full width vertical layout. Everything stacks one under another, so shoppers can scroll and apply multiple filters easily. Style 3 adds the floating filter icon near the bottom. Tap it and an off-canvas filter panel opens. Great when you want filters hidden until the customer needs them. Style 4 gives you a floating filter button that stays available while scrolling. Tap it and a full height side panel opens with the filter. If you are placing filters using shortcode, then you can set the mobile style like this. So that's every layout, sidebar and top view for desktop plus style 1 to style 4 for mobile phone. Pick the one that fits your shop design and you are ready to go.